So far, in Microsoft Excel 2013, we've opened and closed and saved all of our workbooks on our local machine. Now, the real power from Excel comes from the ability to save and use files that are stored in your SkyDrive. So if we want to take one of our current files and save that in the SkyDrive, and then subsequently edit it while it's in the SkyDrive, we can do that. Firstly, we would need the file open. So I'm going to take the sample sales file from the working folder and save this in the SkyDrive. So it's File, Save As. My new location is the SkyDrive. Now, if you're signed into your SkyDrive, you'll see that here. If not, you'll need to sign in. This doesn't say SkyDrive anymore, it says Guy Vaccaro's SkyDrive. So it knows that we're logged in. Choosing my SkyDrive, I can then see a number of folders. I have a Documents folder, I have a Facebook folder, I even have an Excel folder. So let's save this file in the Excel folder. So I choose that folder, and then I can give my file a name. Now I can leave it with the same name. Now you'll notice that this looks like you're browsing your machine, but you're not. You're browsing your SkyDrive. That's your unique ID, and there's my Excel folder. I'm going to leave it as Sample Sales, and then Save. In the status bar, you can then see Upload into SkyDrive. And this file, as far as it looks exactly the same to you, is now saved in your SkyDrive. If we make some changes to it, and then we save our changes. Again, you saw the upload into SkyDrive there for a second, and then we could even close the file. If I then want to open that file, I can do File and Open. Now it's listed in my recent workbooks, but that's only because I've just done it. Imagine that I haven't just done it. I would need to go to my SkyDrive, then into a recent Excel folder or browse my SkyDrive. Well, let's choose Browse this time. I open the Excel folder and I can see there my sample sales file, and I open. A copy of that is downloaded temporarily to my machine. You can access those SkyDrive documents from whatever machine you're sat on that has internet access. Having said that, it's a great storage location for your files from within Excel.